From the incredibly small to the breathtakingly large, animals come in all shapes and sizes. Being small can be beneficial as well, despite the fact that you might think being big is better. You can reproduce more frequently, require fewer resources to survive, and cram yourself into a variety of hiding spaces to fend off predators and go dormant. So here is a list of the top 10 smallest animals in the world, starting from number 10. Madame Berthe's mouse lemur. The adorable Madame Berthe's mouse lemur does resemble a mouse in appearance. These lemurs have 2 large ears, a brown head, and a body that is grayish in color. To scare off their predators, they will keep an eye out for bird alarm calls and the calls of other lemurs. Only found in western Madagascar, these lemurs are the tiniest primates on Earth. They are light gray with light cinnamon and yellow coloring. Their underfur is a subdued black and gray color. They are truly unique and cannot be found anywhere else in the world. They are solitary beings that only move at night. They will rest in holes or tree nests during the day. Sadly, if deforestation continues, it is predicted that this adorable little creature will become extinct in 10 years. Number 9. Etruscan shrew. When comparing body mass, this is the smallest mammal. With an estimated 1.8 gram full body weight, excluding the tail, it is the smallest known creature. Its body measures about 4 centimeters or 1.6 inches. The shrew has an exceptional ability to move very quickly due to its extremely quick metabolic system. The Etruscan shrew is known to be able to eat 1.5 to 2 times its body weight in insects. This explains why the small vertebrates and invertebrates that the Etruscan shrew eats are also relatively small. Warm, humid climates are known to be favorable for breeding Etruscan shrews. It is more cozy for them. Shrews are among the currently endangered species that are widespread in Europe, the Maltese Islands, Malaysia, and even some parts of Africa. The shrew, also known as the Etruscan pygmy shrew or the white-toothed pygmy shrew, is among the tiniest animals in the entire animal kingdom. Number 8. The pygmy rabbit. The pygmy rabbit is the tiniest rabbit in existence. Its nose is covered in tiny white spots, and it has gray fur on its body. It weighs about 1 pound and won't get much bigger than a person's foot. It resides in burrows or close to brush and tall grass. They prefer to have their food nearby, which is primarily grass and sagebrush. Because sagebrush is being destroyed as farms expand, this tiny little rabbit is becoming increasingly scarce. In actuality, this tiny rabbit is now a threatened species. Although they are active during the day as well, they are most active at dusk and right before sunrise. In case of danger, they take a nap close to their burrows in the afternoon. Foxes, bobcats, badgers, coyotes, owls, and etc. are some of their primary predators. Number 7. Kitty's hog-nosed bat. Bumblebee bat is another name for the Kitty's hog-nosed bat. The Crashonecteridae family of animals only has this one existing species. The animal is an endangered species because it is rapidly going extinct. The group of animal species most frequently observed in southeast Myanmar and western Thailand are the Kitty's hog-nosed bats. Despite being the smallest species of bats still existing, it has been claimed to be the smallest mammal in the world. The females only have 1 offspring per year and have a very different reproductive cycle. Number 6. The speckled padloper tortoise. The smallest tortoise in the world, the speckled padloper, cannot even be kept as a pet because of its small size. They have a goldish beige color and black spots on their shell. They eat primarily plant foods. South Africa is the tortoise's native land. The fact that this particular species has 5 toes on its forefeet and its speckles set it apart from other tortoises in its genus. They hunt for food among the rocks while living on rocky outcrops. The rocks provide them with protection from the heat as well as from predators. They consume leaves, flowers, grasses, shrubs, succulents, and forbs because they are herbivores. They are solitary creatures that are most active in the morning. Number 5. Shrews. The Sauricidae family includes shrews as well. They are among the tiniest animals that exist. They belong to the order Eulipotyphla and are a small group of mammals that resemble moles but are very different from rodents. The only true shrews exist, and they are distinct from all other shrew species. There are numerous additional varieties of shrews from various families. Records indicate that there are over 385 different species of shrews. Shrews are also regarded as one of the most numerous and populous mammal families in the world due to their prodigious breeding rates. Over 1 billion shrews are thought to exist worldwide. They are among the tiniest animals on the planet. Number 4. The Baluchistan pygmy jerboa. A well-known member of the Salpingotulus michaelis is the Baluchistan pygmy jerboa, one of the tiniest animals in existence. As a member of the Dipodidae rodent family and a rare species of rodent, the Baluchistan pygmy jerboa is also known as the dwarf three-toed jerboa. The only rodent species that can reach an average head and body length of 4.4 centimeters or 1.7 inches is the Baluchistan pygmy jerboa. The average length of the tail of an adult Baluchistan pygmy jerboa, one of the world's tiniest animals, is about 8 centimeters or 3.1 inches. Number 3. The bee hummingbird. The bee hummingbird is a member of the hummingbird family, also known as Zunzuncito or Helena hummingbird. Its unusual body structure and abilities make it one of the tiniest animals in the entire animal kingdom. This species is widespread in the Caribbean and well known in Cuba. It has been demonstrated that it is the smallest of its species and one of the smallest animals in the world when length, body mass, and general body features are taken into account. Number 2. The Barbados thread snake. It is well known that the Barbados thread snakes belong to the Tracheostoma carle genus. It is the thread snake species' smallest snake that is currently known. The Barbados thread snakes are typically found in the Caribbean. They are small, weighing less than a gram, and have an average length of about 10 centimeters or 3.94 inches. The Barbados thread snake is one of the world's tiniest creatures. And finally, at number 1, we have the Pedophryne amoensis. One of the smallest members of the microhalid frog family is the Pedophryne amoensis. It is endemic to eastern Papua New Guinea and one of the tiniest creatures in the entire world. The Pedophryne amoensis is not even close to an inch long at 7.7 millimeters. The smallest vertebrate animal in the world is the Pedophryne amoensis. So that's the end of the video. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the notification bell so you never miss out on our next videos. Until the next video, take care.